Hello, and welcome to the ProQuest Congressional Training Series. In this session, you'll learn how to search for congressional information using the Advanced Search tab from the Congressional Publications menu. Select the Advanced Search tab. The difference between this screen and the basic search screen is that you have many more options for searching within the documents in your institution's subscription using complex searches. Your menu may differ from what you see here, as the publications listed in the Search Within section will vary from institution to institution. Note that the Advanced Search screen gives you options to search everything except the full text, which is what you did in the basic search screen. But here you have the option to select or deselect the various different modules that your institution subscribes to. So if, for example, you only want to search for House and Senate reports, you have the option to clear all the other document types and search just one particular document type. You also have the option to search within the publications in your collections by using the pull-down menus after each search term field. You can use these menus to select the part of the document that you are going to search. The Advanced Search form also lets you search the entire full text of the digital archives. All of the documents that have been digitized and OCR'd, OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition, can be searched by selecting all fields, including the full text. That means that you can search the actual PDF or full text of the attached document for specific words and phrases that you specify in the search box. In addition to the full text, you can also search for a specific congressional source, like a particular committee. For example, if you want to search for documents from the Foreign Relations Committee related to the SALT Treaty, you can combine these search forms by entering Foreign Relations in the Congressional Source box, specifying that you want those documents to be related to the SALT II Treaty by searching in all of the metadata. On the Advanced Search form, it is important to select the appropriate date range. The full text searchable capabilities for this search form will default to the previous 2 years until you perform a search and choose your date range. So make sure that you check the date range before you hit the search button. Here is an example of a search across all of the document collections for those documents from the Foreign Relations Committee related to the SALT II Treaty. You can see your search trail at the top of the results list. Now if you click the Edit Search link to return to your search screen to do another search, this will retain the All Available Dates range that you selected in your original search. Another option for using this search form is searching any of the bibliographic data that each document has been assigned. So searching in your subject matter index is going to identify any documents related to the terms you select, either by typing them in or using the Index Terms Lookup link. The Index Terms Lookup will give you a pop-up window in which all of your index terms are searchable. Use the pull-down menus in the Index Term Lookup menu to find the related subject terms that you are interested in, as well as see all of the issuing sources that are indexed in congressional publications, and the geographic terms that you can use to locate documents in the Serial Set Maps collection. If you know the subject terms that you are interested in, you can also type them in instead of using the lookup box. The Witness Search field allows you to type in the name of a witness that you are looking for. Last name first, followed by first name. If you are unsure of how the person's first name may have been listed in the record, for example, an initial may have been used, you can also use a logical connector in this field. So you can use Thomas or Tom or T. Edison. Another option is to look up witnesses by their affiliation. So if you are looking for a witness from a particular institution or association, or to see if anybody from that particular organization has ever testified, you can type that name in this field. For example, suppose you want to find out whether a witness has ever testified from the National Organization of Women. It's important to also use alternatives here. So where you might have an acronym like NOW for the National Organization of Women, you also might want to specify the alternative, National Organization of Women. You can also look for documents by specific author, and in the Advanced Search form, you also have the option to search within the Serial Set Maps collection and the Serial Set Illustrations and Tables. That concludes this session on using the Advanced Search screen in your congressional search. To learn more about how you can significantly optimize your search capabilities with the incredible range and power of ProQuest, please consult the other videos in this training series.